Here we are. ¿Para qué es el video de hoy? ¿Qué vamos a aprender hoy? What are we going to learn today? Today, the pronoun. You know this in Spanish. Pronouns. Easy. Hello, hello, hello. Beautiful people. Have you been studying? Hey, what's your name? And where are you from? You have been practicing. So, pronouns are very important. What are the pronouns? You know some already. I am from, I am years old, I. The first pronoun, I. Where are you from? Ya llevan dos. You already know two pronouns. So, we have I, we have you have he, she, it. Finally, we have we, they. So what are all the pronouns? I, he, she, it. And you, we, they. For example, let's say you are with someone, with Maria, and you want to go for ice cream. I am Luismi. Luismi wants ice cream. And Maria would say, Maria wants ice cream too. ¿Cómo sonaría eso en español? Yo soy Luismi y yo le estoy diciendo a María que vamos por un helado. Luismi quiere ir por un helado. Y María me responde, ¡Ah! María también. A Luismi le parece rara esta forma de hablar. Think about it. Es extraño. Yo quiero ir por un helado. Yo también. A mí me parece extraña esta forma de comunicarnos. It's very important to get the pronouns right. Luismi, why the hands? ¿Por qué una mano acá? ¿Por qué contamos esos con otra mano? ¿Por qué esos con otra? Because there is something very, very, very important de lo que ustedes ya empezaron a aprender. The verb to be. What is the verb to be? Remember, to be, ser o estar, and all of that. The verb to be comes in three packages. Okay, listen. The first one, easy. Where are you from? Hágame el favor y me responde. Ajá. I am. Is the to be. Weird. Extraño. No sé por qué. Pero así es. I am. First one, easy. Three in this hand. Okay? Look. He, she, it. He is, she is, it is, it. Es como eso es. It is for like animals. For example, a dog. Wow, it is big. And the other hand, you, we, they. You are smart. We are lucky. We are lucky to live in this time. They are listening. Oh, they are listening. I am solito. He is, she is, it is, you are, we are, they are. Now, she is Mary. We could say, Mary is funny. And we can say, she is funny. We have another friend. Hey, you can say, John is wise. You can also say, he is wise. What is wise? Tell me here. What if it's a long sentence? You have a group. Arturo, Luis, Bob, Maggie, Richard, Ecleto, and Kate are happy. Or they are happy. What sentence can you make? Write in the comments one sentence. Any sentence. Write it in the comments. Let me know. What are all the pronouns? And the three packages it comes in with the verb to be. It's three. Y ya con todos los pronombres, next week we can start building sentences. Ya vamos a empezar a decir frases de nosotros, frases de otras personas. Ok, ya se nos abre mucho más las posibilidades de lo que podemos decir. Ya llevas 3 videos, ya empezamos a decir frases más completas de nosotros y de los demás. Como ya sabemos eso, la próxima semana we can begin with more verbs, different verbs with the present. Very simple, very easy. I run. okay? I study. Pronouns and the verb to be with adjectives. Esa es la tarea. Pronombres. No, you know English. You know English. Pronouns, verb to be, am, is, are, and adjectives. Okay? And I will see you next week. Gracias por ver el video. Thank you. Go subscribe. Go subscribe, please.